and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So yeah, it's totally updated. Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to get a DragonVale iOS and Android modded version. So as you can see, we're broke. Press the button. And now in the mod, we can add free gems. So I'm going to turn this on and let's see if the gems go up. So as you can see, these are the current amounts on DragonVale, guys. So hopefully we do see some gem rise shortly. All right, let's get it and let's do it. Where's my gems? They're not going up. There we go. So I'm going to show you how to get this mod for your phone, guys. No jailbreak. So let's get into it. All right, so it's pretty easy, actually. Just go to the browser and type in matrixmods.com. Hop in the search bar, find DragonVale, press install. Now there is going to be a verification, and this is the last step. So you just have to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says missing files. So I just have to download like 2 of these apps. You know, who gives a crap, right? It really doesn't matter. Just do 2 of them. For instance, Family Island says reach level 11. All right, I'm going to reach level 11. This one, Travel Town, says reach level 9. So yeah, I don't know. As long as you're doing 2 of the apps, you should be good to go, guys. So be sure to try us out. It's really cool. And also make sure you go to settings and keep that background app refresh turned on while you're downloading the DragonVale hack, because it will make sure that your device is ready and good to go. Because a lot of people don't do this and they mess up. You have got to make the background app refresh turned on. So with that out of the way, it should literally just be downloading some apps and you should be on your way. But make sure you press help to watch the video if you feel lost. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, tell your friends about it. It's really insane. And I've had no issues at all. So I'm expecting good results from you guys as well. You can drop those down in the comments.